Hey, what is up there, you guys? How y'all guys doing? Welcome back to the adventures. It's your boy Ray254 Adventures. For those that's new to the channel, make sure you guys go hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. Today I'm here down in Baltimore Waterfront, about to enjoy this beautiful day out here. And I've been here multiple times, but hey, come out here and show you guys again what it looks like on a beautiful sunny day. And we're gonna enjoy ourselves out here, man. It's probably about my, I think, like second time being here during the day, because I usually always come here at nighttime, but it's always beautiful, and no matter what time you come here, night, daytime. But it's a cool little city over here. We're gonna show you guys just all the way over there on the other side of this little boat, little pier here. But we're gonna continue going over here. We're gonna get to this little path up here, and start walking and enjoying our day out here. So tag along, and I hope y'all guys enjoy it. Yeah, we inside Hard Rock Cafe now, just waiting for our food. There's all the music playing in the background, so I'm gonna see you guys in a couple seconds. I'm waiting for my food to come out, bust a grub, and then we're gonna continue on with our hike. So I'll see you guys in a few seconds. My food came out, I'm about to bust a nice little grub and get my energy back. Take all this stuff out of here. Let's get to the good stuff underneath the bun. Whew, guys, I feel like 20 times better now. Put food inside my stomach, and now we can go explore and finish seeing the rest of this Baltimore waterfront here. So let's go over here to the set of stairs, just up here, and across over that little bridge.
Breathing underwater, deeper than the waves, floating like a feather to another day, another day, another day. Beneath the waves, I find I can feel you in my heart, you in my arms.
So I'm actually gonna walk all the way over here. There's gonna be this overlook on top of that hill up there. We just walking away from the waterfront over there, and we're gonna enjoy the waterfront view from all the way up there. So let's go all the way to the top of that hill, and let's go check out this amazing overlook. of this whole waterfront over here down Baltimore. So guys, we just got done checking that view out. It's starting to get a little chilly, so I had to zipper the hoodie up. But we're making our way out of here now. This is an amazing view just walking down. There's a stadium straight across all the way over there. But we gotta head back over there to the other side of that water and walk all around them buildings again. So let's start making our way. So hey guys, we here back again where we first started at, but we're about to wrap it up here. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I definitely had an amazing time. It was a beautiful day. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. That overlook was amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed it also. So if you guys did, please do me a favor, smash that thumb buttons up. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, go subscribe, turn on that notification. But I'm about to start making my way out of here, get my ass home, go take myself to my babies, and I'll see you guys next time. So peace guys, and I'll see you on the next adventures.